All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I'm sure it is very difficult to find anyone who hasn't heard this saying. Well, I wish to modify this saying to all work and no play makes everyone's brain a dull brain. Hello viewers, the focus of our today's video is on physical play and its impact on brain health. Physical play for children of all age groups should ideally constitute swinging, jumping, running, climbing. These activities not only help children to increase muscle strength and endurance, it strengthens their bones and boosts their metabolism. It also helps them develop a strong core, something that is highly underrated. While a strong core is a prerequisite for the well-being of people in all age groups, it is particularly essential for preschoolers, as it helps them build and enhance their focus, body posture, and balance. That in turn is essential for developing finer motor skills, pencil grasp, and cognition. Remember, Mother Nature has bestowed every child with the required skill to build, develop, and strengthen their core. You can watch our videos on International Yoga Day 2023 and our Inborn Abilities, a light bulb moment to have an insight into this. We have given the links of these videos in the description box. Hence, the bottom line is, if we want our children to be focused when it comes to academics or learning, and ours physical play is essential in addition to proper nutrition and sleep. So, play is actually not a waste of time. It is a stimulant to learning. Playground is a place where children not only have fun, but it is also a place which offers many opportunities for the development of body and mind. Physical play can refine their skills and tone their muscles. But it needs to be remembered that children will do this at the appropriate level of challenge. Children have their own pace for developing these capacities, and we should not push them beyond their natural limits. For example, you can't expect a 3-year-old to hop on one foot and play hopscotch, nor can you expect them to play outdoor games with rules. That said, children learn best when they are encouraged to move just slightly beyond what is already comfortable for them. Play is a central component in a child's mental growth. Play helps children make meaning in their world. It helps them to learn about themselves, and equally crucial, it helps them to learn how to get along with others. And the golden rule applies here too. Follow your child's interest. Play builds versatile and supple intellectual skills. Play is a place where problem solving comes alive. In this age and time where information is all over the place, rather just a finger away, we don't need to train the brain to be efficient to get the right answers by memorizing facts. But we need to train the brain to be creative problem solvers, independent thinkers, and people with good social skills. Another important fact about play is that it is not related to age. People can experience and derive their benefits by opting to play any kind of sport they like. Famous poet, lyricist, author, scriptwriter, and film director Gulzar Sahab is a living example who loves to play tennis. He stopped playing tennis just about 3-4 years ago at the age of 85. So, if you belong to the school of thought that play is just a waste of time, it is time to rewire your brain. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.